Hi, I'm Jay Miniotti. I'm a fellow of the Society of Actuaries and a member of the American Academy of Actuaries. I own an actuarial consulting company in Tampa, and this is a presentation on the Affordable Care Act. It's specifically designed for employers who employ 50 or more employees and may be subject to penalties under the law. In the first part of this presentation, we'll talk about the financial aspects that one needs to take into consideration. The second part will discuss case studies. The financial considerations that one needs to take into account are actuarial value of the plans, premium subsidies toward exchange coverage that their employees might be eligible for. You'll need census and payroll data, plan data including premiums, growth assumptions for salaries and medical trend, and tax rates, both the employers and the employees. Actuarial value is a measure of the richness of a benefit plan or how much of it is covered. And in the context of healthcare reform, they're using a metals metaphor. Bronze covers 60% of a plan's claim, silver is 70%, on up to platinum at 90%. These are some sample bronze plans, and what you'll notice is that the deductibles are fairly high, as are the out-of-pocket maximums. The takeaway from this is that there is more than one plan design that would satisfy an actuarial value of 0.6. You can also take away from this that deductibles or out-of-pocket maxes lower than these values would indicate a higher or more rich plan. For premium credits towards exchange coverage, first it's helpful to know who's not eligible. Folks who are Medicare or Medicaid eligible are not eligible for premium credits on the exchange, nor are TRICARE, CHIP, or VA recipients. For one of your employees to be eligible for a premium credit, they have both personal and plan requirements. They have to file a tax return, they have to be a legal resident, and they must have income between 138 and 400% of the federal poverty limit. Anybody below 138% of the poverty limit is going to be Medicaid eligible under expanded Medicaid coverage as provided for in the law. The plan must be deemed to be not affordable, i.e. the premiums that you're charging are greater than 9.5% of income to an employee, or the actuarial value of a plan is less than a 0.6. You'll need data from the employees, which is more demographic in nature, their wages or income, how old they are, how many hours a week they work, the plan election that they currently make if they're enrolled in your plan, and their status as a full-time, part-time, or seasonal employee. For the plan of healthcare benefits that you provide today, you'll need to know what are the employee contribution rates, the full premiums or premium equivalents if you're self-funded, and the actuarial values of the plans. We'll make assumptions for medical trend. That's probably in the neighborhood of anywhere from 9 to 13%. Wage increases might be 0 to 2 or 3%, and the tax rates, typically the employer rate's 35%, and employees you might assume 15 to 20%. These are the information items that you'll need to know in order to do the calculation on the cost. And this concludes part 1 of this presentation.